Design of bag filters by Juan Diego Bernal and Valentina Bustos Moreno. Bag filters operation principle. Bag filters consist of a series of rows of cloth bags in the form of round tubes. The separation of the solid is carried out by passing the air with suspended particles through a fan through the fabric that forms the bag. In this way, the particles are retained between the intersects of their cloth, forming a filter cake. Advantages: high particles removal efficiency in a wide range of particle sizes, moderate pressure drop and power consumption, and an ability to handle a variety of solid materials. In the disadvantages, we find space limitation, high maintenance cost, limitations in use due to the high temperatures, and in general, it is not possible to handle hygroscopic materials due to problems with cleaning the bags. Bag sizes. From a practical point of view, it is recommended that the dimension of the bag not exceed the following values: diameter between 0.15 and 0.30 meters, and length between 1.5 and 12 meters. Temperature. To avoid condensation in the filter, it is recommended that the temperature of the gas stream be between 10 and 12 Celsius above the dew point. The additional cost of pretreatment will have to be considered instead of paying a higher prices for fabrics with higher temperature resistance. Dilution with air consists of mixing the gas stream with air at room temperature. It is the simplest and cheapest method. However, it generates a considerable increase in the volume of gas to be treated, increasing the size of the baghouse filter. Pressure. Baghouse filters can be used for positive baghouse pressure or negative pressure service, but only within a range of about 635 millimeters H2O. The filtration speed. Efficient filtrations require that the filtration speed be in the range of 0.005 to 0.050 meters per second. And particle size. Particle size distribution and stickiness are the most important properties of particles that affect design. Smaller particles can form a denser layer of particles, which increases the pressure drops and would result in a much lower applicable filtration rate.
About the cleaning mechanisms, the main fact that separates some type of bag filters from the others is the way that they are cleaning. So this tells us if the filtration process is continuous or discontinuous. That is, if there are pauses in the filter airflow. The cleaning by mechanical agitation it is done when there is a possibility of suspending the filter service for a short period of time. Let's say it has a discontinuous operation. The overall effect is to create a sine wave in the fabric, and the dust accumulated on the surface moves along with the fabric. The pressure air cleaning is carried out by means of high pressure air jet through a cycle programmer with adjustable variation of time and pause, which generates a wave that lowers the amount of pressurized air. So the bag expands a lot and breaks all the particle layers. So this slide picture is an example of the topic. About the calculation of collection efficiency, this equation was proposed by Dennis and Clem, and it shows that the efficiency decreases with the increasing filtration speed and that it increases with the accumulation of particles on the cloth.